Hey guys, what's up? You're watching iGyan and it's time for Top Tech. So let's quickly get started. Welcome back to another episode of Top Tech, guys. If you like these videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button with the bell notification icon so that you get notified each time we upload a new Top Tech video. Let's jump into the first product. First product we're checking out are the Carcool TWS earphones. Now these are Bluetooth 5 earphones and they're priced in at $18.99. They're available in two colors. We've got the blue color over here, and they are the more traditional AirPod style design, wherein which they do have a long stem, but they do have in-ear style earphones. So you do have replaceable ear tips that do come with the package. Now, like I mentioned, these earphones have Bluetooth 5.0, so they will connect with all your latest audio devices along with your smartphones that do support 5.0, and they deliver a good amount of bass as well as mid-range. They're not the brightest earphones, but if you like something which is bass heavy, these are definitely it. They're also extremely loud, so if you want a lot of audio from your earphones, these ones will deliver. They do have wireless touch controls as well, and you can use them outdoors as well as during workouts. They are IPX6 water resistant and sweat resistant as well. The good thing about these earphones is that they do offer up about a 5-hour usage time, and then you can charge up the earphones in the case that comes with it up to 3 times fully, which is brilliant. So it is a good combination, giving you a total of 20 hours of usage in one single charge of the case and the earphones. They fit in the ear quite well. They're really comfortable to wear for long periods of time, and you can also call in Siri or Google Assistant directly from these earphones as well, because they do support that feature. All in all, a really good pair for the price. Like I said, they are available in 2 colors. Go check these out if you're looking for something that's really nice and heavy in the bass department. Next up are the Uber Bass earphones. They're priced at 2,000 rupees, also available in a bunch of colors. These are a more subtle design. They sit inside the ear. We did get them in the red color, which is not so subtle. They do have Bluetooth 5.0, but the charging case has 600 milliamp hours as a backup. So once you fully charge the earphones, you can use them for 5 hours and then charge them upwards of 5 times in the case, giving you a total of 30 hours of usage, which is brilliant. It does work with Google Assistant, Siri, or even Alexa. They do sit inside the ear. They are IPX5 water resistant. The audio profile is sort of flat, not a lot of bass going on with these. They do come with additional ear tips as well, so you can swap those out, get a better fit, although they sit inside the ear quite securely, so you won't have any issues no matter what the shape or the size of your ear is. Go check these out if you're looking for a more flat audio profile that you can tweak in your equalizer and get a better audio sample. But these do offer up a flat audio profile. They're loud enough as well, so you do get a lot of volume. Next up are the earbuds. Now these are one of the best fitting out of the lot, priced in at $16.99. These are available only in the black color. A really good shape and design, and replaceable ear tips as well. And they also come with these little winglets that sit inside your ear and make the earphones much more secure. They pair up with each other automatically. They offer up to 5 hours of usage on a full charge, and then you can charge the earphones a couple of times, giving you upwards of 20 to 22 hours of usage time. Audio profile is really good, really well balanced. They sound good. The volume is also good. The microphone is also nice to pick up the audio. So all in all, a pretty well balanced package, and one of the best fitting ones. So if you're using this for an active workout or something, they will definitely stay in your ear much longer. Go check these out. Next up on our list are the Xmate Gusto. These are $17.99. Again, truly wireless in-ear style earphones. They also have Bluetooth 5.0. They do come with replaceable ear tips as well. Now these are extremely compact and do have touch controls on the earphones. You can also call in your assistants as well. They take about 1.5 hours to fully charge, and each earphone has a 50 milliamp hour battery, which gives it about 3 to 4 hours of music as well as talk time. So if you're using these for calls as well, you'll get about 3 to 4 hours. It also comes with a 400 milliamp hour charging case, so it does give you additional battery as well inside the case, so you can use them for upwards of 3 to 4 times fully charged from the case as well. Now, one of the coolest things about these earphones is that the case also has an LCD display that constantly gives you the level of battery left inside the case, which is really handy for when you're charging, or if you're just about to leave, you can quickly check the battery life in the case as well, which is really useful and helpful if you're planning on using these earphones. They pair up automatically with each other, and then you can connect them with several devices because they are Bluetooth 5.0. They have really good sound with good amounts of bass as well, and then you do have the bass controls on each of of these earphones as well. So if you can enable a higher bass if you want, or you can reduce the bass. These are extremely lightweight and fit comfortably in the ear, and you don't feel them in your ear for longer periods of time. So brilliant little earphones. Go check these out, and they're priced quite well as well. Now the final product on our list are the Portronics Harmonics, and even though the name rhymes, these are pretty interesting earphones, available again in a few colors. We've got the really nice looking green color over here. They are available for rupees 1799. And again, Bluetooth 5.0, really compact, really nice fit, really good design as well. Buttons on both of these earphones to receive calls if that's something that you want, or even pause or play the music. They do have smaller batteries, so they do have a 40 milliamp hour battery inbuilt, and about 320 milliamp hour battery in the case. So you get about 3 hours of usage on the earphones. So definitely lesser battery, but it's a really nice fit. Because it uses Bluetooth 5 low energy, you do get a decent amount of standby time as well. They're not going to give you the maximum battery life. So definitely if you want a longer range earphone, these will not give you the maximum amount of battery life. They are really well made. They are soft materials as well, and they offer up a really good sound profile, and they work really well with phone calls. So the mic and the earpiece are really good on these as well. Now we tried all of these wireless earphones on gaming with PUBG. We tried it on the OnePlus 7T Pro, and all of these devices work perfectly fine with PUBG. All of them are on Bluetooth 5.0, so connectivity speed seems to be consistent across the board. So no problem with any of those. And that's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done that, and the bell notification icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. This has been Bharat. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.